Doesn't matter if we're talking about cancer, epilepsy, Alzheimer's, sleep disorder, multiple sclerosis, in all of them, we define a specific cannabis that works better than the drugs that we have in the lab.
Canasol is a world leader in the study of cannabis and its application in the fields of medicine, food, and technology.
Right at the start, Daddy found amazing things in his research between cannabis and cancer.
The company was established by Professor Dedi Meiri and Dr. Moli Mandel in collaboration with the Israeli Technion Institute.
Instead of 2 cannabinoids, suddenly we saw hundreds of active components in the plant. It was amazing.
Cannabis is an amazing plant that harboring hundreds of active compounds, that binding different receptors in our body, that activate different pathways. It's balancing our appetite, our sleep, heart beating, the immune system. And we're not studying that in biology, we're not studying that in the medical school, and we almost know nothing about it.
Professor Meiri's laboratory began analyzing hundreds of cannabis strains and mapping their hundreds of active ingredients, which have never been characterized before.
And very quickly we understood that the demand is immense.
We know today to look on all the active compounds in the cannabis, defining which molecules affecting leukemia, which molecules affecting breast cancer, which molecules affecting Alzheimer's. This is crazy, this is insane. The potential of treating illnesses that we couldn't treat until today is huge.
These tools we wanted to make applicable for the industry, and this is what we're doing here.
Canasol Analytics, together with the Technion Lab, conduct studies supporting the development of drugs, products, and technologies in the cannabis field.
Everyone needs our help. We are collaborating with a lot of laboratories, a lot of scientists, a lot of companies.
We're providing the tools and the ability to have a body that gives them these advanced research and development abilities in medical cannabis. Creating drugs, creating food, creating cosmetics, creating wellness.
I have 40 people in the Technion and another 40 in Canasol that working in a synergy that actually takes something from the beginning up to the end to the product with all the steps.
6 companies operate under the Canasol Analytics Group. Cavnox develops a unique product for treating leukemia and lymphoma and is at the beginning of the clinical research. Nidralogic develops a cannabis product to treat sleep disorders. MyPlant Bio develops cell-based disease models and conducts research into the effect of different cannabis strains on the diseases. Saiga Bio researches and develops in the field of psilocybin mushrooms. 7 Helix develops a medical diagnostic product of the endocannabinoid system, which is the most significant regulating system in the human body. Canasol Lab Services releases batches of cannabis to ensure plant quality for medical use.
Things that we discover in the lab can a week after that affect the patient.
It's being the first that is doing something that nobody did before.
And this is a dream that coming through, you know, this is really to live the dream.
Anyone that wants to apply cannabis to its technology, to its product, will be our partner.